Hello! Hi everyone! Today's video we're going to make an easy peasy recipe with simple ingredients, and I bet everybody could easily make this roll. This is a light roll made from an egg batter, and we could enjoy this roll either as a sweet with jam, as a snack with afternoon tea, with chocolate spread, or even an amazing side dish to any meal. So, let's just get started! We're gonna start to preheat the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit as well as the popover pan inside the oven. If you don't have the pan special for popover, just use the muffin tin like I do. Next, we're going to start to whisk 4 large eggs. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Whisk like you want it to make an omelette. Once it's done, we're gonna add in the melted butter, whisk again. Next, add in the milk into the bowl, continue to whisk again, just until combined. And that's it for the wet ingredients. We're gonna continue to dry ingredients. In the bowl, add in flour, salt. You could use kosher salt or sea salt, whatever you prefer. Give a nice mix and that's all. Now, slowly pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and continue to whisk it up. And whisk until smooth. If there's some small lumps right there, it's fine, not a problem at all. And that's it! That's the batter for the popovers. Take the preheated muffin pan out of the oven and immediately spray with non-stick spray. Evenly pour in the batter into the muffin tin, but not too full, yeah? Top it up with some Gruyere cheese and leave it plain if you prefer so. Now your guy is beautiful, and off you guys into the oven. We're gonna bake it at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, and after that, turn the heat down to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 10 minutes. With these water-based ingredients, like eggs, milk, these are going to form steam in the oven, which allow them to pop. Yeah, that's why this popover is so special. Once it's done, remove from the oven and pop! These look amazingly beautiful, big, and delicious. They are gorgeously popped from the pan. We're gonna place them immediately onto the cooling rack, and to maintain the shape, release the steam by creating the little slit with a knife into each of the popover. And finally, our popovers are ready! Let's give it a try. The smell is so, oh my. This is so light, airy, and delicious. And this hollow part is so unique. This here, you normally put jam, butter, or chocolate spread and all this stuff you like. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to try this recipe at home and see you next time. Bye!